Good evening and welcome. The confessions have begun. Confession number one from the trio of Dipesh Sawant, Siddharth Pithani and Samuel Miranda, which I am bringing to you tonight. Viewers, this is a confession that proves that this was a cold-blooded murder. On the 8th of June, three things happened. Rhea leaves Sushant's house on Mahesh Bhatt's advice. Second, Disha is killed. Murdered. I have no doubt about it. And third, as per the confessions of these three, a group of unknown IT professionals is sent to Sushant's house. And under the watch of these three, all the digital data in Sushant's electronic devices, his laptops, his desktops and his phones is forcibly deleted. One by one, in 8 hard drives, the material is taken out. Sushant is sitting there protesting but completely helpless. These three, Dipesh and Siddharth, who till now have been protected in a wonderful way by the Mumbai police. These three sit there and force Sushant, Samuel Miranda, Dipesh and Siddharth, they force Sushant in his house to destroy any evidence that he has in his computers. Now, this is clear evidence that Sushant's murder was planned on the 8th and executed on the 14th. And these three are accomplices. So why has the Maharashtra government and the Mumbai police tried to protect the accused? Very strange, very strange. Especially because it is now clear that Rhea was part of a very powerful and connected Mumbai drugs syndicate. Viewers, hear me closely. Multiple sources with different testimonies are telling me that several top politicians and top Bollywood stars and superstars are deeply entrenched and are part of this cocaine and hard drug circuit. They say it's very prevalent. Rhea Chakrabarti and her group know their names. Some very powerful names. Their activities, their moral depravities, and their dirty secrets. And this politician Bollywood group is very worried that if some of these names come out, then nobody is safe. Read my lips again. No minister is safe. No star is safe. No director is safe. Read my lips again. No director's daughter is safe. And read my lips again. No politician's son is safe. And that is why, when the evidence is there, when the murder is a known reality, and when it is so easy to connect the dots, the Mumbai police has turned into the protector of the drugs and dirt mafia. And one last food for thought. And please, no dying political party or Sicilian mafia needs to jump at this. Don't we know, viewers, we have known that there are politicians in India who are in a big way on drugs. I'm not naming anyone, don't worry. Some escape the country looking drugged and then return looking even more drugged. Some go to events drugged, some go to inaugurations drugged. And I wonder tonight why the pseudo-seculars, these pseudo-secular frauds in this country, are so fond of the Babalog druggies. Tell me, pseudos, is being on drugs secular? Is exposing the drugs mafia in Bollywood and among our Babalog netas communal? Is that why these fools are linking the Sushant investigation, which is India's biggest public campaign Is that why these fools are linking it to the Bihar elections? Ladies and gentlemen, confront these people because the nation wants to know.